Happy Thanksgiving to my favorite group of weirdos and oddballs and misfits. I love you guys from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for loving our programs, for teaching our programs. Thank you for loving each other and being just so supportive and cool. You guys are just, you're so cool. And to be associated with you is one of the greatest thrills and honors of my life, hands down. So happy Thanksgiving. All my gratitude. Do you remember, some of you, last year, January 2025, when we did our New Year's kickoff call, like happy birthday to Warrior. We were this many. Remember, we're like, we're this many. So we're about to be this many and we're about to have another kickoff call. But do you remember, some of you on that call, that I said something real quick, real quiet, real sly like, that you might not have even caught it? Do you guys remember me saying that I was going to release a cookbook? Well, if I say something, I'm going to follow through, right? Announcing Root Down, Rise Up, a cookbook for the warrior in you. I'm so excited that we can offer something on the nutritional side. And I wanted to give you a little bit of the backstory. I met Betsy Tannenbaum in my classes a zillion years ago. She's a student of mine. And she also worked out with me at home, both online and in the club. She started sending me every single Sunday night a recipe to my email so that I could put it every single Monday in a newsletter to my students. And some of you were part of that newsletter and still are. And she did that for years. And I realized that those recipes were pure gold. They were healthy, whole foods, real food. No hyper processed crap. And they were real food. No diet culture, fat-free, obsessive recipes with weight loss rhetoric. It was just real food, real good food. And the recipes were practical and easy to make and delicious and aesthetically pleasing and good for us body, mind, and soul. And as a total foodie and eating disorder in recovery, this resonated with me. And, how I want to show up in the fitness space. So Betsy's recipes, that's what that little segment was called in my newsletter every single Monday. She's the author of this cookbook. She took the photos with her phone, like you can't even believe. And she wrote these recipes. And this cookbook is now part of our academy. It's $24.99. We're going to give you guys $5 off for being brand new adopters of the cookbook. So this month, you can have $5 off, which will make it $19.99. Are you kidding me? This is the perfect gift item too. So if you're looking for a $20-ish gift for people you love that supports their health, that also supports our company, Root Down, Rise Up. Your coupon code is the word Thanksgiving. And you have until the end of November. Root Down, Rise Up, the cookbook for warriors. All right, I cannot wait to see what you think. Tag us when you buy it. Tag us when you make recipes. Share it with loved ones. I'm really proud. I'm really proud to incorporate this into our offerings. So happy Thanksgiving. I hope you love it.